Good afternoon. My name is Alina Shaltsova. I am an employment discrimination attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to talk to you about statute of limitations. Statute of limitations is very important because it defines the time limit within which you must bring your legal action against the employer. It's especially important for employment discrimination cases because on the federal level, it's rather short. You have to act within usually 180 days up to 300 days in certain states. In New York State, if you would like to bring state claim, employment claim, discrimination employment claim under state law, you have 3 years to do so. So how to stop your statute of limitations from running and not to miss your deadline? There is pretty much one way to do that. It is to file a necessary administrative complaint. And such a complaint has to be filed with either EEOC or New York State Division of Human Rights. The filing of the complaint will stop the running of the statute of limitations. Nowadays in the news, you probably heard and read stories about women who are accusing various men, their previous employers, of employment discrimination situations, like sexual harassment and some very troublesome conduct. But if you look and if you read the story, the actions happened 30, 20, 15 years ago. Well, it's way too long for those women to be able to recover for what was done to them. As I said, the law does not provide exceptions except for when we're dealing with minors. And also, the law will not extend the statute of limitations to 20, 30, or 15 years. Such claims usually are aimed at bringing awareness about the issue, about influencing the employer to address the problem with the harasser. But those women, they cannot and will not be able to recover for actual employment discrimination that happened to them, unless it's also related to actionable criminal conduct for which statute of limitations has not passed. So for most of the people, in most situations, you would need to bring your case within the statute of limitations that I mentioned, 300 days or 3 years in New York State, if you're bringing only state claims. But for federal claims, the statute of limitations is short. As I said, it's 300 days. And you can read more about the statute of limitations and how to start an employment discrimination case on our website, workharassmentattorneys.com. Thank you.